Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Be Messy, and here on my channel I do all sorts of content ranging from skincare to beauty and organization and cleaning. I always love to hear from all of my viewers, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video, as well as give me a comment on what your favorite part of this video was. And make sure all your notifications are set to on by clicking that little bell icon in the corner. Today we're doing a clean with me, and I am so excited to be sharing this with you. I love the music. It's very kind of chill, relaxing. So grab yourself a cup of tea and let's go ahead and get cleaning. So I am starting in my bedroom, and I'm just doing my regular tidy up, which is make the bed and wipe down my nightstand. But then I'm going to just go ahead and steam these drapes. They are actually brand new right out of the box, so I just kind of wanted to give them a good steam to help get the wrinkles out of them and make them look nice and crisp. So you guys know that vacuuming is my favorite thing to watch on a clean with me, so I'm going to show you the after of how much gunk I got off of my floors. I do try to vacuum this at least daily, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray down my bed with some Sweet Pea by Caldrea. And since I was already over here with the blinds, I noticed how dirty it was with dog hair, And the sad thing is that I had actually dusted this about a week prior, so I need to be dusting this every week apparently. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my vacuum and clean all of that up, and it looks amazing afterwards.
Such a fine romance. Bit by bit I am slowly waking to see what's real. Finally heal. How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your love? How will I cope without your
Hi guys, so I just thought I would hop on here. I just got finished in the kitchen and I am going to have some lunch. So I thought that I would share with you what I got. And then I wanted to talk to you guys about something I got in my bedroom. But for lunch today, I think I'm gonna have a BLT salad. It just looks like this. It has all the stuff in it. I got it from Sprouts. So it's like 90 degrees where I live, so it's a hot day. So I thought this would be something nice and cold that I can just go ahead and eat real quick before I go ahead and finish cleaning. But before I continue on with my day, I wanted to, if the white balance would focus, okay, show you these new blinds. So, if you guys can tell, they're pink. They match my bed. If I could have the color come back. Hi, Alice. I need to clean my lens too. But anyway, if you look, they don't go all the way down to the bottom because I mismeasured. But also, Alice's bed usually goes there, so that's like the perfect length. So it doesn't get caught up in her bed because I did not want her dog hair all over it. And it's already all over the curtains. There's still like dog hair all over them. But I thought, because I'm on the first floor of my apartment, I thought that this would just be a good way to stop my neighbors from shining their headlights into my room, which has happened a fair amount of times in the middle of the night. Other things have happened too, but they're not G-rated. Out there in the parking lot outside of my apartment, and I don't really want to talk about it. But so if you guys wonder why it's a little bit above, that's why. And then also, I mean, you can't really tell. I honestly, this is not a forever home. This is an apartment. So it doesn't really matter if they're not perfect. I got them like for a really cheap price on Amazon. So, and also maybe they'll fit in my next house. So, yeah. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!